Hey there YouTube. Today I'm working on a 2011 Buick Regal. It's a 2.4 liter EcoBoost. I've got the engine cover off here. To take it off, you just unscrew the oil cap and give it a tug. And those are the camshaft actuator solenoids. You'll see the one in the rear for the exhaust is darker than the front one, if you want to keep that straight, and so I keep it straight. The one that's bringing the code up is the exhaust, right?
Yep.
Alright, and that code I'll put on the screen right here, and then all the other codes I was getting, so. Alright, let's go. So these are the two solenoids I got from Amazon. 30 bucks for a 2-pack. The black one is the exhaust where the plug is, and then the grayer one, the lighter one, is intake. Just there you go. See the difference? Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's from whatever company I'll put on the screen on Amazon. I'll put the ASIN code so you can look it up. I did read that you have to coat this with oil, and then also before doing this you should use an air compressor to clean it out so nothing falls into the engine.
Go ahead.
Alright, and so this little clip comes out. Looks like you put your little pick right here in this hole in the top to release this tang, so we're going to see if that works. And there we go. So, just in that little hole. Put that in there and pry it off. This now. There we go. Just pinch. That pops off. Alright. Take your 10mm. It's like a $10 Menards toolkit I got. And lefty loosey. Wow. Rocker side to side. Just the O-ring holds it in, and then like all the 100 miles of use. Up there, okay. And then just oil this bad boy. That's some dark oil. Alright, back in there. I see what they were saying about the bolt. If you could zoom in on that bolt. Some of the reviews on Amazon said that bolt looks kind of chintzy, and I'd have to agree. It almost looks like it's made out of maybe a zinc alloy instead of like aluminum or stainless steel. So that is kind of worrisome, how light it feels. But as long as I don't cross-thread it, it shouldn't be a problem. So I'll start it going counterclockwise first until it grabs, and then thread her in. Alright, she's not going anywhere now. Does the dirt pop out?
Yeah.
know you want this. You know you want it, you dirty thing. Okay. That one went on there a lot more securely.
Yeah.
Well, I guess I'll put the clips in. This one was for this bastard. It goes that way. Yeah. So the little white prong here goes towards the battery. White prong point. So these go towards the passenger side, and then there's the orientation of that. Alright, so this is the old exhaust actuator solenoid, and there was just caked metal shavings on it. Yeah, those are metal. I can see it shining. It's not dirt. So, yeah, you can see the metal flakes there too. So, time will tell if the other one does this, but hopefully it does not. Hopefully this has just been on there since the engine break-in period. So, hopefully.